Hello, my name is Chris Wright, and I'm the Global CTO for Red Hat. Thanks for joining this India Mobile Congress session where I'd like to discuss 5G, edge computing, data and AI, and the power of open platforms. IDC estimates that in 2020, every person will generate 1.7 megabytes of data per second. Ericsson reports that India as a nation remains the country with the highest monthly usage rates per smartphone. And according to the India music industry, there are now over 200 million unique users of mobile streaming services across the country, double last year's figure. Interestingly, all these stats were gathered before the world collectively moved online. We know these trends have only accelerated over the past few months during the pandemic. A suddenly distributed remote workforce creates enormous pressure on our communication systems. India's networks, like others around the globe, have done a remarkable job of responding to these stresses. And we look to early 5G deployments and edge computing to usher in a new era of distributed infrastructure. 5G is characterized by enhanced mobile broadband, massive machine type communication, and ultra reliability and low latency communication. That means improved bandwidth or more data, more connected devices, and highly reliable, low latency access to data for mission critical workloads. Edge computing is a distributed computing architecture that brings compute power closer to the things and the people that produce and use data, improving resiliency and localizing data aggregation. Organizations are using edge computing to do a lot of innovative things, including analyzing sensor data for predictive maintenance and quality control, enhanced safety practices on the factory floor, enabling remote healthcare, deploying augmented reality systems for remote operations, and a growing list of innovative new business opportunities. You see, 5G and edge computing are technological trends that are also playing a part in the changing relationship between IT and business. Today, every company is becoming a technology company. Or perhaps better put, it is technology that differentiates the business. As data is generated at an unprecedented rate, businesses globally have the opportunity to use data to optimize and identify new revenue streams that have not previously been available to them. But the process of getting access to the right data, aggregating it, and making it useful can be challenging. If data has become core to business success, as we here at Red Hat believe it has, then IT has become the key to competitive differentiation. Last year, Analysys Mason found that most enterprises will spend an average of 30% of their IT budgets on edge computing over the next 3 years. They also found that most organizations across all verticals expect a 10 to 30% reduction in costs from using edge computing. Now, the challenge today is that the cost of building a 5G network is so high that revenue growth is a fundamental part of the ROI discussion. Edge computing is one of the technologies that makes that investment pay off, and the interplay of 5G and edge technology is what opens up operational and revenue opportunities. To address the needs of today while remaining flexible and open to the opportunities of tomorrow, we believe the most fundamental piece of technology in this story is a single horizontal hybrid cloud platform. It's the technology that allows you to build a common platform from the core to wherever your workloads need to go today or tomorrow. A single common horizontal hybrid cloud platform eases the design, deployment, scalability, and manageability of your infrastructure, and it provides greater security and resilience for your operations. Running a common platform from the core data center to the network edge, including disaggregation of RAN or Open RAN, supports a cloud-native network experience and simplifies the onboarding of network functions and other enterprise and consumer-facing workloads. We believe the future network is built on such a platform, extending all the way to the edge. To meet varied demands, an edge and network cloud computing platform should support all types of workloads, including virtual machines, containers, bare metal nodes running network functions, standard enterprise and consumer-facing applications, as well as artificial intelligence and machine learning workloads. True efficiency comes from automated provisioning, management, and orchestration, and it runs horizontally so you can run any workload on any footprint in any location. Crucially, the promise of 5G networks depends on an open platform that can evolve rapidly to address change. Open source platform solutions ensure edge technologies work across a wide ecosystem without the lock-in of a proprietary vertically integrated platform. This unifies network, enterprise, and consumer edge applications all on a common platform. This creates operational efficiency because, well, it's a common platform, and also enables the broadest ecosystem to target that common platform, creating ecosystem efficiencies. The open source development model harnesses creativity and innovation across a wide range of industries and use cases. Combining efforts across industries means we benefit from one another and we don't have to create expensive custom solutions. The architectural refinements needed to support a broad set of use cases builds flexibility and sustainability into the underlying open source projects. We also know that open source communities guide innovation in key technology areas for modern networks, not just edge and 5G, but also areas like network and IT automation, IT and cloud security, container orchestration, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. But innovation doesn't just happen by chance, it's the outcome of a proven process, open source collaboration. The future of 5G is being determined now. We have an opportunity to bring everyone together in this huge ecosystem, telco service providers, equipment vendors, and systems integrators, just to name a few, to shape the future of networking. We also know that not every organization is at the same place in their 5G journey. Many of you are dealing with the pressures and problems of today and don't have the luxury of thinking about tomorrow just yet. We have decades of experience in open source communities that we use to help our partners and customers access the open source innovation and technologies they need to address their most pressing challenges. Open collaboration is one of our core principles. A partner-based approach to network design means that you can always choose your preferred network applications, platforms, and integrated technologies and services with confidence that they will work well together and reliably. Our goal at India Mobile Congress is to further unite this vast ecosystem of partners and customers in open collaboration and communication so that we can shape the future of open 5G together. Thank you.